The assistive technology that I'm going to demonstrate for you today is the text-to-speech app. Text-to-speech software takes written text and transforms it into speech. This technology offers several benefits to consumers, businesses, for personal use, and also, of course, educational institutions. Text-to-speech is a type of speech synthesis application that is used to create a spoken sound version of the text in a computer document, so such as a help file or also just a section of a web page. Text-to-speech can enable the reading of computer display information for the visually challenged person, or may simply just be used to augment the reading of a text message. It is considered to be a mid or high technology. So what all it is it's just an app on your phone. So if you go to your app store, they actually have all different kinds. You can get a free one, which is just your basic text-to-speech, or you can get a more advanced one, which costs a little bit more money. So I just downloaded one. And what you can do is you can actually go to like a web page and copy or highlight a section of it and paste it into the app, which I already have done. And then in this top corner, it says speak. So all you do is you hit speak and it'll speak it for you. So I'll show you.
This technology can help people with vision impairment and learning disabilities in several ways. For example, if students have trouble comprehending words on a computer screen, they can use a software program or hardware device to convert text into audible words.
So she read what I pasted into her thing. You can actually change some settings on this one. You can change the rate that she's talking and also her pitch. So if they are vision and hearing impaired, you can change the pitch of her voice so that they can hear it better. Some of the benefits of text-to-speech. Some people have difficulty reading large amounts of text due to dyslexia and other learning disabilities. Offering them an easier option for experiencing website content is a great way to engage them in what you are doing. Some people have basic literacy levels, and they often get frustrated trying to browse the internet because so much of it is in the text form. So by offering them an option to hear the text instead of reading it, they can get valuable information in a way that is more comfortable to them. People who speak the language but do not read it. So having a speech option for the foreign-born will open your audience to this underserved population. Many people who come to a new country learn to speak and understand the native language, but they still may have trouble reading the second language that they learned. Though they may be able to read the content with basic understanding, text-to-speech technology allows them to take the information in a way that they are more comfortable with and making the content easier to comprehend and retain. People who multitask, so pretty much all of us in grad school. A busy life often means that people do not have time to do all the reading they would like to do online. So having a chance to listen to the content instead of reading it allows them to do something else at the same time. So like if you're sitting there doing your homework for grad school, but you're also making lesson plans for the next day, but you're also really interested in this book that you're reading, you can play the book from the text-to-speech app, and that way it'll be easier for you. People with visual impairment, so kind of like I touched on before. So text-to-speech can be a very useful tool for the mild or moderately visually impaired. Even for people with the visual capability to read, the process can often cause too much strain to be of any use or enjoyment. So with the text-to-speech, people with visual impairment can take it in all manner of content in comfortable instead of strain. People who have different learning styles. So some people are auditory learners, some are visual learners, and some are kinesthetic learners. Most learn best through the combination of all three of these. So there's something called the Universal Design for Learning, and it's a plan for teaching which, through the use of technology and adaptive learning plans, aims to help the maximum numbers of learners comprehend and retain information by appealing to all three of those learning styles.